price can go down at around the month of June. So let's try to do that. So from a moving average, meron pa na talaga, no? Ayan. So nagbababanta. May pagbabanta na mababasag na po si Bitcoin pababa. So importante pong makita natin ito lagi dahil pag ito po ay nabasag, your Bitcoin price can go down and your alternative coins can pump. Ito po ang aking mga permutation. Kinig mabuti, no? Permutation number 1. Okay? Number 1. Bitcoin can go down, okay, or conso by June. Bakit anong meron sa June? Number 1, no, number 1 or letter A. You have your altcoin ETF approvals. That can happen. So potentially, your Bitcoin price can go down at around the month of June by the activation of your divergence. You actually have your left hand forming. Right? You have your left hand forming and you have your key level support, multi-month support. Pag bumasag po yan, anong pwedeng magpabasag dyan? Yung inyong BTC can go down because of your altcoin ETF spot approvals. Okay, type number 1 kung naiintindihan na po. Nako, alam nyo ng alam ha.
Thanks, Coach Miranda Miner.